Okay, so if you got this error where the file path for your Novamira and Claude code isn't working, this is how you can fix it. So first things first, make sure that you have Novamira installed in your WordPress website. So right over here, I have Novamira. And also make sure that you have the AI abilities enabled. And second, make sure that you generate an application password. So here I'm going to say Claude. Once you give it a name, then say generate password. And now we have the instructions on how we can connect to our AI client. Now we can either use this, but in this case, I'm using the desktop version of Claude Code. So right over here. This is the code that you have to copy and then paste it into the Claude Code configuration file. Right, so you'll open up your Claude Code desktop. So I'll come over here to the settings. Alternatively, you can just click here and then come straight to settings and come to developer. And here you'll have the option to say edit the configurations file. This will take you to this JSON file and say edit with, any text editor that you have. You can use text edit, you can use VS Code. In this case, I'll use VS Code. So here is our default file, and we are going to edit it and merge it with our Novamira MCP configurations. Make sure that you keep this block because it will keep the agentic and background processes from Claude working smoothly. So this is my Novamira MCP server that I want to add to Claude Code. Now, how do I merge them? It is very simple. So you are going to delete the closing bracket here and also delete the opening bracket here. And after the first MCP server, so this is the configuration for the first MCP server, you're going to add a comma on this MCP server. Now that means I have now merged the first MCP server and the default Claude Desktop preferences right over here. So after merging the two files, just save your files and then close. After closing, then quit Claude Code and then start it again. So I'll say Claude, and we are going to check if actually it is connected and running. So I'll come here to settings, come to developer settings, and here I have to check that it's running. But if you get the error where the MCP has failed to connect or is simply disconnected, so that could be because of a file path issue. As you see here under command, I have npx. So this is basically saying, hey, I have Node.js. And so you have to have Node.js installed on your computer. And how do you check if you have Node.js? So just come over here to your command line. So how do you look up for the command line? Just come over here to terminal. And then what you're going to do is say which npx. And if it brings you a file path like this over here, that means that that is the file path you have to add right over here. So I'm going to come and copy here, paste and replace that file, and then save changes. And if you happen not to have Node.js installed on your computer, then first of all, you have to install Homebrew and then install Node.js. That you can do using the command line, and I'll be sharing the commands right down in the description of this video. Once you've added the correct file path right over here under command, save changes, and then close your editor. So it can be the text editor, it can be VS Code. At the same time, close your Claude application and then open it again. And when you come now here to settings, and you see that now our file path is also updated right over here. So now when I come here to Claude Code, I'm going to start a new chat and I'm going to ask it, hey, are you able to see my WordPress site? Yes, I'm fully connected to your WordPress website via Novamira plugin with broad admin level access. Now here you can proceed giving Claude Code instructions to build things within WordPress with Elementor and everything.